Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm be talking about Harman's latest product, the JBL Pulse 4, and then compare it to the traditional and award-winning speaker, the Charge 3. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I had opened up the Pulse 4 a while back now, but to show you exactly what you get out of the box, well, I put the speaker back into the packaging. So, let's unbox it. As always, you get the fancy packaging by Harman. Here's the speaker. The Pulse 4. Let's set it aside for the moment. In this box on the side we have the guidebook and as well as the black cable, and that's it. You don't get a wall adapter because you don't need it, right? So, it comes with a USB Type-C port. They claim it has 12 hours of playtime, to which I agree. And if you were to dim the lights or turn it off completely, which is an option, then you're gonna get way more out of it. It is IPX7 rated, meaning it can be submerged for up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, but I would not recommend that. And weighing at 1.26 kilos. Now, what else is there to say? I mean, it's beautiful, and you are paying a price of €200 for the light show. It has 5 different light modes, all of which are customizable to your preference through the JBL Connect app. There's the wave, as it is right now. Then this is highly customizable to choose whatever patterns you'd like to come out of it. For each one you can always change the color. There's the spiritual. Also, I can change the color. Let's see. Now, then there's the famous campfire. Would be very nice to go along with a barbecue. The equalizer, so according to how much music is playing, the amplitude is displayed. And the one that I had set previously, the wave. This one is my favorite one. Now let's connect and check out the sound on this thing. Alexa, connect to JBL.
Searching.
Alexa, play music.
Here is Spotify.
Oh, baby, shake your body. Ooh, let's go all day, all night. Ooh, if you wanna, oh, baby, shake your body. Let's go all day, all night. If you wanna.
Okay, amazing sound, and the light show would liven up surely any party. But it is important to note that the surface of the device is made out of glass. So be careful where you put it. And also it is a fingerprint magnet. I don't know if it shows on camera, but it's filled with fingerprints. But overall it is beyond great. Now here I have the JBL Charge 3. Harman claims it has 20 hours of playtime. It is IPX7 rated, but don't go throwing it in the pool or play water polo with it, cause it will get water damage. Trust me, I know. I mean, who does that? The JBL Charge 3 weighs 0.8 kilos, almost half the weight of the Pulse 4. Now, let's talk about its features. It has a USB Type-A port, meaning you can use it as a 6000 mAh power bank. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack. Unfortunately, it has a micro USB, not a USB Type-C port. And what else is there to say? It has a microphone, meaning you can take calls over Bluetooth with it. Furthermore, with the packaging comes the famous wall adapter, which should be included with every JBL. I mean, come on. And this one is very convenient because it has these adapters, so you can, it's perfect for traveling. It has the American version as well as the one that we use, and also here I have the German version. All these features that I just mentioned do not come with the Pulse 4 variant, unfortunately, and today the JBL Charge 3 retails at €100. It's time to compare the sounds between the two speakers. It's going to start off playing on the Charge 3, then at some point I'm gonna switch over to the Pulse 4. Now, let's start off on the Charge 3. Now note that the sound on both speakers is not at its maximum, because that would be just too loud for here. So, the first thing that I noticed that the Pulse 4 is way louder. And when it comes to the Charge 3, the sound is a bit grainy. Maybe it's possible that some dust got caught up underneath the threads. It's possible, after all it's IPX7 rated, meaning it's not dustproof, both of which are actually, but since this is glass, it's harder for dust to go through, in my opinion. And also when it comes to the Pulse 4, the sound is crispier and much cleaner. So for sound, the award goes to the Pulse 4. Additionally, the Pulse 4's built-in speakers are all around the device, meaning it fires up sound all over you, a 360 sound. While when it comes to the Charge 3, the built-in speakers, it has 3, are only at the front, meaning the sound only pops up from the front. So for a more submersive experience, the Pulse 4 would also win. So what's the final verdict between these two speakers? Well, it depends on how important for you is the RGB light, cause the JBL Pulse 4 does indeed cost twice as much as the JBL Charge 3, but you're not getting twice the sound. Me, personally, I'm gonna stick with the Pulse 4, cause if you were to ignore the price completely, it has a much richer sound, louder even, and obviously it got a nice aesthetic vibe to it. Okay, so that concludes today's videos. I hope that I made your purchase decision a bit easier. As always, I'll leave a link in the description below to both speakers. If you liked and enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so that you would get a notification when I upload my next videos. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.